see one little bum come here, so they play around it you until my sister it now bus. My mother say, yeah, she say it now bus. Anyway, we're going to public and we're going to public. One doctor did that, Mr. Smith, and treat me for abscess, but when I check it out, the pill them where I buy cost me what 10,000 and the pill when I start take them, the pill make me start lose weight. Me I drop down, me have family line, I'm pregnant, me ear, me I lose all my ears.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Wagwan family. This video that I'm about to let you take a listen to right now is a young lady by the name of Simone Gordon. Now, in this video, Simone is sharing an horrific health issue that she's faced with. People, this video went viral on social media and I just had to play my part in bringing more awareness and attention to Simone's situation. She is sharing what she is facing right now, presently in her life, and she needs our help. Family, please take a listen to what Simone has to share, and if you can assist in any way possible, please consider doing so. Take a listen.
Evelyn, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, even to everyone. My name is Simone Gordon. Everybody been asking me what's wrong with my face, if it can be fixed, if it can be fixed. Okay, one car delete me down a couple years back. Anyway, when I come out of the hospital, everything did good till about 1-2 years after I see one little bum come here, so they play around it you until my sister it now bus. My mother say, yeah, she say it now bus. Anyway, we're going to public and we're going to public. One doctor did that, Mr. Smith, and treat me for abscess, but when I check it out, the pill them where I buy cost me what 10,000 and the pill when I start take them, the pill make me start lose weight. Me I drop down, me have family line, I'm pregnant, me ear, me I lose all my ears. So my mother dashed them where I said, I never take no more of them. So she said me a lady must be a road. She said me a lady must be a road. What dermatologist? Yeah. The lady write one paper when I go for UE. Them say me have to do a biopsy for my face for 100,000. So when I do it, them never tell me say it's cancerous or nothing like that. Them say me have to do one big surgery. So them give me paper and tell me how much the surgery cost. After my eyes stay, my eye wide open, me I cry because I said me I go find so much money. And just say 600 or 500,000. You anyway, by the good grace of God, me join around Robin. Me join partner. Me start do a bag of things. You forget the money them for do. Me get donation. My brother did that help me. When we did it now and I say alright then everything good. December 16 my brother did go join do exam for soldier, become soldier, end up pass it, whatever, come home. When he come home, couple of friends them, people who know run him down, kill him, kill my friend named Drupel and shoot up my stepfather. The next day them come down, them burn back down, them burn down my house, flat. End up have to move from there. Still I try again, you get the partner job, I have to help there, my brother. I'm not a problem to help there, my brother, because I didn't know if they make it what would happen, but the point when I really come on this boat is that me I plead to Jamaica, to the doctors them, and to if anybody who see this, who have links can pull strings. A good while now the surgery for do, and me I tell you honest truth, I pay put off. Them say to corona that is still from 2019 now at 2022. I pay all of the money, I go sit that it, the paper and everything, I pay everything. I pay for the implant for 180,000. I pay the 300,000 for the surgery. You have to see one X-ray there too, they didn't give me for do. I don't have no money for do that. Them call me about what they about CT scan and all these things. I don't have no money for doing a CT scan. Them keep on putting me up, and when them a put me up, the something keep on getting bigger and bigger. When I get up enough morning I sleep on my life, I get up and see teeth on my pillow, pure blood that come out of my mouth. I lose weight, my weight can't stay on. I don't know if I true, I can't eat certain things. I suffer James, Kush Irish and then something they ensure I not have it like that for buy them things there, you get me? So I plead to the Jamaica, I plead to Jamaica, I plead to the doctor them, please. I must can get one space now, you, because come on, I usually go to school, you know, when I go to school, I did a listen where teacher them saying I did a take in, you know. And when you have this lump so long, you can turn in a cancer. You get me, you can turn in a lot of things. Some of this plead, I beg on the please. Anybody who hear this and can help me, I beg you please. The doctor them for you, I beg you please. Please, a long time now, a long time you. I can't eat, I can't sleep. I can't, I'm afraid to walk on the road, I can't even work because nobody now hire me with that place, because nobody now hire me. And one person that hire me and I want wholesale. And she really why she hire me because she know me before this happened to me, she know me good. They get me, so I plead, I beg, I plead, I pray, I beg, I don't know what else to do. I beg you, please, to do my surgery, please, and thank somebody who has strength can pull me, and no one good Samaritan. I beg, help, please, and thanks. I do this video, I said something to start the reason why I do it, you. Because she's an artist too, I'm not telling a lie, she's an artist. You get me? You want help with my face, somebody, so people say me a praise her and me I say before me drop out and read. I know why me say that because I know the pain with me I feel. People say me to talk to God and meet God first before I meet Christ. I meet God. When I'm blind to see me meet God, because I never meet God. You look for my face and I still alive. That's why I plead to Jamaica, I plead to anybody who hear this, any doctor, anybody who can help me. Save a life, please. Save a life, because nobody don't know you. My day are good today. Tomorrow I can't wake, you know. I not manifest that over my life. I just show how sickness stay, and sometimes nobody don't know what time it is. And when nothing ever happen to them, no people do not know. Some of us plead to Jamaica, please me and beg you, please me and beg you, please. I don't want to see my mother crying anymore. I'm tired of her crying. Sometimes I feel pain and they ask me if I feel pain and I tell them no, I feel pain. But I don't want to tell her because I don't want to see her cry and stress out herself and send up her blood pressure and all these things. They get me some of the stuff big help. I'm not beg help to pay for the surgery because I pay for it already. The only thing I have to do the X-ray or the CT scan as them say. I mean, I have the money right now, but overall, I'm just beg help to get the surgery done. Give no one day where you know you have to do the surgery. It's hard, and I break down enough time. I break down and it's okay, that is one more extra that I was supposed to do. I mean, I tell them, I not have it to do it. The amount of money when I spend up, I not have it to do it, honest to that.
The contact information for Simone will be in the description of the video. Also, it will be pinned in the comment section. If you would like to assist her, please reach out to her directly and give her some assistance. All right? Remember, we still have good people in the world and each one can help one. As Simone said, please help to save a life. Reach out. The number is in the description and pinned in the comment section. All right? In advance, thank you so much for your assistance. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.